shit. I think an accident happened. Is it? Where's the accident in Azudo? लगभग मनो को है आपका दिखा कैसा हुआ?
हम देखा खाली उधर से ऐसे स्टेप में।
हाँ ठीक है रे।
क्या वाला?
चलो चलो।
बाइक वाला को मार दिया।
हाँ वो बाइक वाला को मार दिया,
लेकिन बाइक वाला आदमी उधर में था।
लक अच्छा है बाइक वाला। यो हाँ ओए चलो। थैंक यू हाँ हाँ नहीं नहीं ब्याह जाए सती के खेज हाँ ओए चीज है ओए ओए अब नहीं रुक दे। चलो चलो कम जा दिया। चलो चलो संडे एक दिन ही ऑफ पाए तो मान लो पाए कितना ले। चलो चलो ठीक है देते लोग पाए देवो। चलो ना आराम से चलो। Subscriber so friendly so nice. Nervous kayo sila. Anyway I'll be leaving. Kaya next time kina siya footpath te china pautala azu siya. Anyway that aside. Yeah. Yeah, so today's vlog, it's gonna be the usual ride out, nothing extra, and then we're gonna be having someone new today to the channel. His name is I don't know if I should address him with his real name or his Instagram name, so I'm just gonna be calling him Moto Chetri. That's his Instagram ID. So yeah, he's gonna be tagging along with me with his RC 390, a beast. Pura siya, tatakarian baluan not cruise na ikektas ko siya dasolado, but papa, accident do. And it seems that the truck even hit a bike, and luckily the bike was parked, so no one was injured. Kali truck driver a lot injured is nagi, one major kind of scratches or kata-katina. What a way to start a vlog, man. Take record ko siya. Welcome back to another video ko dahil sila. Accidentally di ba? Anyway, let's hope that the person is okay. It's a very pleasant day. I really miss riding in Koima. Koima la vibe ala kagtaz. Very chill, calm. Signal light pin na din. Anyway, let's go ahead of this Scorpio. Whoa! Brother is a daredevil, yeah? Why did I wear a white shirt? Man, worst. Dust to sign up. Ay. Pony ride. Pony. Oh, he's gonna fuel up. Okay, we're at Jarnapani right now, and then after this, Mitsipima, Perima, Pipima. Yeah, I think I'll just record when we're stopping there somewhere and then coming back, because it wouldn't make sense to show you guys places where you've already seen. Let's go. So we reached Pipima. We're at Pipima, and then Moto said he has never visited the viewpoint that's here. So we're going to be visiting the viewpoint out here. मतलब विश्वभर जैसे भिडियो देखिँदै झाला नै ini kali saw pun pakan di sini ban pakan di sini aja kok ban aja lagi hai gini dia oh mana kilian gate ban thai sini kada ba jawab pare bidai usho ini we are trespassing. Kumbi dikhane bhai lagbal sound ata ne. I don't know if we are trespassing or not, but if we are, then apology letter likho na. Low key trespassing. क्या नज़ारा है कोहिमा भी दिखे वो तो आईजी स्टेडियम आज वो तो माउंटेन दे बिल्डिंग हान दिखे ना आईजी स्टेडियम कोहिमा ला वो तो जुब्जा look at the view guys huh ये तो की रास्ता है we're gonna be chilling here for some time. Just see that. Takot to mana sago. We're gonna be stopping here at our usual Perima Sweetie restaurant.
Film din ka tayo.
Kikina normally boy do.
Oh, buwan din ka boy do. First ito na ulit kiba ko turn home film din ka jeje. Sa alo size. Alo upper grade para ta.
Magi na digilan wala.
Hello guys. Aji mo YouTube like on hack kuru siya. To kota na ko na. Ready go. Enjoy. Look at his tires. Sheesh. I wish I could lean like him. I think it's my first day trying to lean. And I'm just following his line. I mean, he gives like such beautiful lines. He has the RC 125, but I still can't chase him with my 390. skill gap. And then this one way is oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering who is it, it's but I have a Instagram with a username Moto Chetri, so you can check me out.
So I'm just taking Moto Chetri around since he hasn't visited much places in and around Dimapur or Kohima or anywhere. So I'm just gonna be showing him around, and then I'm taking him to the usual spot in Yuka viewpoint. Really love this place. I really enjoy coming to this place. The roads are good, there's good views around, so it's really nice. Just check out the view. See that? लिखो रे. ये कॉमन स्पॉट एक है. Oh, सब दिखे. Nice weather, you can see everything. I think they're making the train station there. खाना पैक तो कुर्डिशोले फिलाना है. Whoa, look at the sky, yo, so good. Woo. What a view, what a view. A pretty sunset. Anyway, KTM RC. So let's see. I think he's also shooting a video. Huh? Shots fired. Anyway, I met up with the boys. KD is in front of me now.
Are you? Why? What is this? What? Wow! Very super duper!
That's the 390 here. And yep. Woo. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. See you. Be safe. Take care.